Now that we have a global user context created, let's go ahead and add some more features in our website. This time we'll be adding a premium content feature. Now, to do that, the first thing is creating a premium content table, as I've done over here. So under databases, you can go ahead and create a table called premium content. And if I go ahead and show you the details of it, name being premium content, we have enabled row level security. And down here, you'll notice I've added a column called video URL of text type. Then we have added a foreign key relationship with the lessons table. So the ID column of this table and the lessons table ID column is related with each other. Once we have created this table, the next thing that we have done is we have inserted a new record over here. The ID over here matches the ID of the lesson table, and then we have a sample video URL. Now, this content will be displayed on our web page when a user will be subscribed and a video will play over here. Now, if I go back and see the profile table, so under table editor, if I show you the profile table, what I've done is I have set this is subscribed initially to false. Apart from that, we'll also need to have a policy. Now, the premium content table, we have already attached a policy, as you can see over here. We can go ahead and create a new policy on top of it and delete this one. So here we can go ahead and create a for full customization, give it a name over here as policy name. So let's give it a name as premium content policy, and we'll be enabling it for select statement. Next, the policy that we will be having is going to be targeting the authenticated users, and it will also check whether the authenticated user is subscribed or not. So that's the policy SQL statement that we have. Since I've already created an existing policy, I'll be closing this, and the same we have already created, so there's no need to create one more. Now we have created the premium content table, we have enabled row level security, we have applied the policy on this particular table. Next, we need to go back over here and go to the table editor, and here inside the profile table I'll be setting this false to true. Now once that's done, next thing that we need to do is head over to our code, and here in our code under this page id.js, we are first of all importing video from React Player. So this is a package that you need to install, as I've done over here, npm I React Player. Once this package is installed, you can import it in this particular page. We are also importing user state and use effect. Next, inside the lesson details, you can see we are making use of video URL and set video URL using the user state feature. Apart from that, we have created a get premium content method, which is querying the premium content table, getting the video URL based on the lesson ID that we are passing, and it is going to fetch us one record only. Once we have this data with us, we are setting the video URL. Here, you must notice that we are using the null check. So if the data is null, the set video URL will not be set. After that, we are calling get premium content using use effect. So once this page gets mounted, this will be called once. After that, we are simply checking if the video URL is there, then only we are rendering the video component and setting its width to 100%. Now, if I go back and over here reload this page, you'll notice that we are getting the video over here. If I go back now and set the value to false over here and reload this page, you can see the premium content is no longer available to the user. That's how we can implement gated content using row level security with Supabase.